Home remedies to fight dry skin this winter. Winter is a season that brings many pleasurable experiences, but dry skin is not one of them. The skin tends to become drier due to the drop in the temperature and also humidity. This causes the skin to become dehydrated, leading to dry skin patches as well as irritation or itchiness. Such causes include inadequate moisture in the body, exposure to harmful ultraviolet UV rays of the sun, enjoying hot baths or showers, using harsh soaps and detergents, and certain medical conditions like hyperthyroidism, psoriasis, diabetes or dermatitis. Dry skin needs an effective lubricant to rehydrate it. There are many natural ingredients that are very effective to treat dry skin problems. Here are the top 5 home remedies to fight dry skin this winter. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the popular and effective treatments for dry skin during the winter months. It contains ample amounts of fatty acids that can compensate for any loss of moisture from the skin. It also has protein as well as vitamin E that help retain moisture in your skin. Also, its antioxidant property is good for your skin overall health. In addition, because this oil is non-greasy, it is easily absorbed by the skin. 2. Honey. Honey is considered another natural moisturizer loaded with antioxidant, antimicrobial and humectant properties. It helps lock in moisture to make your skin extra soft and smooth. Plus, honey has many essential vitamins and minerals that help improve your skin health and heal skin tissue. Any of the following remedies can be used once daily. 3. Olive oil. Another effective remedy for dry skin is definitely olive oil. Olive oil contains antioxidants such as vitamin E that help neutralize the oxidant effect of free radicals that damage collagen, which causes skin dryness. It also works as a great natural moisturizer. Plus, the healthy fatty acids in it can soothe and condition dry skin all over your body. 4. Milk cream. Another milk-based product that can combat skin dryness is milk cream. The high fat content in milk cream works as a natural moisturizer for dry skin. The lactic acid in milk helps exfoliate the dry, dead surface of the skin and accelerates collagen production. 2. It also helps maintain the proper pH balance of your skin. 5. Avocado. Avocados also make a natural remedy to combat dry skin conditions. Avocados are rich in vitamin E, which protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids that easily penetrate deep into the skin to make up for any loss of moisture.